Good morning, everyone. It is Wednesday morning, hump day, here in Angeles City, Philippines, and it is hot. It is around 10 o'clock, and it is already cooking here. But guys, you ain't gonna believe what happened. Once again, another bar raid, multiple people taken in, underage again. You know what? Let's go to Philly in the Philippines, in the Philly studio newsroom. Take it over,
and
Philly.
welcome to Philly in the Philippines News Radio here in Angeles City, Philippines. Today's news is from the Manila Bulletin, April 18th, 2023. 44 victims of human trafficking rescued, 6 suspects nabbed in Angeles City KTV bar. Campos Olivas, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Authorities arrested 6 suspects allegedly involved in human trafficking and rescued 44 female workers, including a minor, during an entrapment operation in Angeles City on Monday, April 17th. The operation was conducted by the local police and other concerned agencies. Hereafter, a reliable informant revealed that 2 Korean nationals who owned and managed the IMKTV bar in Barangay Pampanga, Angeles City, were sexually exploiting their employees. Some of them were minors. During the entrapment operation, the policemen acted as customers, handed down 8,000 pesos to one of the suspects, identified as Jason Langkangang, who in return remitted the money to the 2 Koreans, identified as Matt Lee and Alex Han. At this instance, the raiders readily arrested the 2 Koreans and the other suspects, identified as Aline Pineda, Jennifer Mendoza, Preciosa Mahase, who allegedly recruited the victims. The police are also hunting a certain Marriage Han, who is said to be the registered owner of the MKTV bar. Charges of violation are RA 9208, Anti-Trafficking in-Person Act of 2003, and amendment by the RA 10364 and RA 7610 are being readied against the suspects. There it is. Back to you, Philly in the Philippines. Our YouTube blogger down on Angeles City, Walking Street, Red Street.
There it is, guys. It's in the news. I'm only reading to you guys what I hear. I don't know all the details. I don't know anything beyond what I read to you guys. Happens. Not the first time, not the last time, and I'm sure there's going to be more in the future. It's just the nature of the beast here, right? So anyways, we're going to do our weekly walk up Walking Street here, and we'll show you some of the new buildings and the new activities that are going on. There's Lut. I said she got an umbrella out because it's hot, and like that sun beating on you, man, that'll take a toll on you.
It can damage my skin.
It damage your skin.
Yes.
You know, and everybody wants to be white.
No, I mean, like, I don't care about that kind of white, whatever white. The heat.
The heat.
Hurts my skin.
The sun is beating on her. The heat. Even my bag I carry around, boy, that thing's even warm. We'll start our little stroll right here at the entrance. Don't see really anything new going on here. The Fiesta Arcade. So your little vendors in there, little food shops in there. To your left is your Paradise Garden and Bunny Club and Penguin Club and Castle Massage, and I don't know what else is in there. I know they place in there where they have a band. This Photo Mimi, I don't know what Photo Mimi is. What do you think Photo Mimi is, Lut? Photo Mommy. You think that's good? Photo Mommy. You think it's going to be a restaurant? Wonder if it's going to be a little restaurant. Is this a restaurant? Going to be a restaurant?
No, sir. That's a
Photo Mimi. What is that? Like video
photo booth, sir. That's a
photo booth. So you can bring your girlfriend or your date or your friend and come in, take photos in the photo booth.
Yes, sir.
All right, that's something new. Something new. All right, I'll make sure I come back when it's open. All right, my man.
Yes, ma'am.
No, that's what's going on there.
What is that?
Yeah, buddy.
Photo, what is that?
Photo. You see, you can go in there with your beautiful date or whatever,
Right.
and take a photo.
Ah,
Like
I
a
think I know that one. They used to have that. You sit there together and there's a kind
Yeah,
of like a...
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe that's part of the Red Street. You guys, we got Red Street is supposed to be up and running here by June. You got about a month and a half until Red Street is up and running, according to what I read. I don't know. I don't see too much going on. This is a KTV, right? Aurora Bar. Ura Bar. I don't see nothing as far as anything here with the Red Street. See a lot of construction going on. Of course, the clubs, this club here, this Club Asia, that is still for rent. That big club there. This was Paro Paro. It's now Casino Bar. Paro Paro is gone. They come and go. That's what happens here. They just come and they go. What else is going on through here? There's gossips. Gossips. Skips. Our best. Their doors. The door's locked. Usually they're open. You know it. Yeah, usually they're usually open, but they're closed now.
Saudi. That is kind of chains ng
Bagal Hotel is now what? Hangawi Korean barbecue. This is still closed. Gold Bar. That was rated back March 22nd. Still closed. Never reopened. If I were to guess what's going to happen here is it's going to change names. It'll wind up being reopened under a different name. That's what happens. Places shut down, they get busted or whatever, and then they reopen underneath a new name. That's kind of how it works. This place here on the left, right by Baccarat, even Baccarat's closed.
Oh, because I think Wednesday.
Oh, it's Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday, some of the clubs are closed. You guys see the new platform they have here that's been going on now, the construction for the past couple weeks. Looks nice. Supposedly they're going to have chairs out here, tables out here, outside dining. Supposedly a top over top of this so you stay shaded. Nice and big open area. However, check this out. Let me get up here. Great, but look at your view. You're gonna sit up here, right? Very nice, but look at your view. Aside from Lloyd, look at your view. You're gonna look at the Galaxy Hotel. There's no action going on in there. It's dead, all right? And then you're gonna look over here at a massage place. And then you're going to see the shawarma place. But your view here is just not that good. You're going to
at night. You have a view.
I mean, you could sit and people watch, all right?
Yeah.
But unlike Kokomo's, where you're actually in the hub of the whole entire thing, looking out and just people watching.
At night.
I don't even know what this is going to be called.
Flamingo.
Flamingo. Okay.
That was before Flamingo.
This was before Flamingo.
It's still Flamingo.
It could still, yeah, it says still says Flamingo.
Flamingo.
Yeah, it's going to be nice, but your view is not going to be that great. Hiring sales lady.
Should I apply that?
Nah, you don't need to apply. Apply for a mama song.
Huh?
Why don't you apply it for a mama
No,
song?
I don't want that. Only sales
We
lady.
strictly check ID. No, not allowed minors. That's good. That's good that they do that. But it happens. People fudge birth certificates, and so yeah. What else do we have going on here? Nothing really. One thing I wish they would do with the Red Street is fix these sidewalks. They're terrible. But let's see what happens, right? Red Street's got a month and a half to come in. Month and a half. There's Junior. Junior. What's up, Junior? What's going on, Junior? That's right, it is Wednesday. Coming up here on the left is Voodoo. Voodoo is open 24/7. Here comes Tom. All right, Tom.
Yeah,
All right, buddy. Hi, buddy. Morning, Kuya. All right.
Morning.
All right. Voodoo here on the left, open 24/7. Angel Witch. Is this Angel Witch? What? Is that? Yeah, Angel Witch. Used to be Voodoo, right? Used to be. I got you. They're open 24. They're the only club I know down through here. Morning. All right. Good. How are you? They're the only club I know down through here that is open 24/7. None of the other clubs are open 24/7. I can't remember. Were some of these clubs open 24/7 in the past? Some were open 24/7 in the past.
Voodoo.
Dollhouse.
Voodoo.
Voodoo. Well, that was old Voodoo. Voodoo, 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 voodoo.
There's like two.
There were two that were 24 hours.
Only voodoo and that.
All right. Whew. Adrian is not here. Day off? I know he had a day off. Maybe Adrian had some big sales yesterday. Yeah, boy, it is. It's warm. You don't want to be out in this during the day. Middle of the day, you want to be in the air conditioned, kick back, relax, or at the mall. This is another one here. This carousel. They've really done a really nice job here. I don't know when they're going to open, but they did an amazing job here. This is what's the name of the place?
Bistro.
Bistro. Yeah. It's Great Bistro. Bistro. Yeah, Bistro. It's going to be nice when it does open. Any projected date to be open?
Yeah, it's already open.
Oh, you're already open for business. Evening. Evening time. All right. So evening hours.
Yeah.
All right. Cool. All right. Thank you, buddy. So they are open for evening hours. Doesn't pay to be open during the day or in the morning. Not enough traffic coming through here. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
Elaine.
Elaine, nice to meet you. Have a good day. Elaine. There, now we know Elaine's name, Lud. The poor girl, she's walks around here a lot, you know, hustling and, you know, doing what she's got to do to make a peso or two. I'm going to shoot up here to the, put all the way up to the end. Do our full walk up to the end. Check the exchange rate. I'd seen the exchange rate is going up. What's wrong, look? Yeah, look, you're hot. You know when it's hot out? When a Filipino says it's hot out. When they tell you it's hot out, it's hot out. What's up, buddy? All right. Phillies and envy. Let's go Sixers. Yes, I am a Sixers fan. Yes or no, I am not a Philadelphia Eagles fan. I think $255 million for the quarterback. Good for him for getting that kind of money. Or they say highest paid quarterback or highest paid NFL player in the history. Good for him for getting that $255 million. However, I would never give that kind of money to a running quarterback. A running quarterback, no way. We'll see what happens, right? I'm sure there's multiple clauses. What is that? What?
Look.
Snail?
Yeah, that's a snail.
Or clam?
Yeah, kind of plum.
Clam.
Yeah, that's a good plum.
What says that's a good clam? Somebody asked me about this place the other day when I was sitting here doing a people watching Korean restaurant. Never ate in there, so I can't tell you how good or how bad it is. What? Hiring waiters, waitresses. Yeah. Here we have restrictions. You have to be 19 to 30
So I'm not allowed.
with a pleasant personality. In other words, what this means, guys, is hiring waiter and waitresses with a pleasant personality, which means you better be good looking. That's what that means.
Yeah.
All right. And you must be between the age of 19 and 30. If you're over 30, forget it. Don't apply. You're not going to get the job. But that's what that means. And you see that quite a bit here. The old pleasant personality. That's discrimination. Look, that's discrimination, isn't it?
Exactly.
That's discrimination. We're going to have to report that. We're going to have to. Hey, morning.
Hey, boss.
We're going to.
Supposed to be not allowed.
No. We need to protest, right? There's a trike full of women coming from work, going to work. I don't know what's going on.
Eh, bakit di talaga sila magsama-sama?
Security guard. Eclipse. Here's Eclipse's poster here. This is the nightclub Eclipse Dance Festival. All right. Limited VIP still available. There goes red. All right, let's go. Eclipse is the newest, hottest nightclub going here in Angeles City. Oh, better not show that because, you know, better not show that, you know, they might seem, you know, nobody, YouTube doesn't want you to look at beautiful girls. Yes, Eclipse, the go-to spot now. Generator running. I don't know who that was. She just waved. Maybe a subscriber, look.
Huh?
Maybe a subscriber. Did you know that girl? No, I didn't either. Could be a subscriber. There we go. Money changer down here at Natalia Hotel is straight 55. So it has gone up. Then again, it is the middle of the week. And that's what happens. In the middle of the week, the exchange rate does pop up a little bit. But 55 is decent. There's a nice little breeze coming off at Theodoro Street. A lot of times like Theodoro Street and A. Santos, I get a nice breeze that blows through there. Coming up on the coming up on Margarita Station, still open, still running. I don't know what's going on. Good for them if they can still continue to run. I've heard rumors that they're going to be there all the way up till the new place is completed. Time will tell. We'll see what happens. But yes, the Margarita station is still up, still running, still staffed. I'm good, buddy.
T-shirt, about T-shirt.
I'm good, buddy.
Hey, excuse me. Hey, understand what I got?
I'm good, buddy. I'm good. Thank you. Second you stop and talk to them dudes, man, they'll try to get you to buy something. They're just doing their job. Nothing wrong with that. Trying to make a peso or two.
Hey, morning.
Hey, boss. Hey,
I'll be on the chicken wire this time.
I'm following you. All right. People think this street is like really long. You can walk from all the way to the beginning there on MacArthur Highway all the way up to the money changer here in 10 minutes. That's if you don't stop.
Right, sir?
I'm good, buddy. Thank you. All right. Well, I even feel the camera is warm. And GoPros, you got to keep an eye on because they'll just shut off on you. They get too hot and overheat, boom, they just shut off. As a safety precaution. Jenny's is. What's up, buddy? Hey, all right. Jenny's is 55.25. So you roll up the street a little bit, you get a little bit more. Supposedly that's where the train track is coming through. And here we are at our money changers. She is 55.20 on the nose. Going up. Saturday, it'll go down, right? It goes up, down, up, down. All right. There it is, guys. There's our walk, our weekly walk. I know it's a little bit longer than normal, 20 minutes, but when you're having so much fun, you forget what time it is, right? So anyways, guys, there it is. There's our walk. That's what's going on. And with that, we'll talk to you later.